Hi all, welcome to Electro Valley. This is Sam. Here I am with a detailed review about Bolt 1400. I already did the unboxing. If you want to watch the unboxing video, you can click on this I button and you can watch the video. Here this, it's a detailed review, the connectivity, what are the ports available and what and all use of this Bolt 1400, and I'm using on already for 1 month, and how is the experience with that I'm going to share with this video. Please watch till the end. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click that bell button for your new notifications. Alright guys, I'm using this more than a month now, and it is awesome. The mids, low, high, everything in a proper way they're fixed on it, and it's cool. It's very nice, and comfort level I can't complain for it. It's awesome. It's like I used more than 5+ hours and it's awesome. I don't feel any pain, I don't feel any pressure on my ear, and the sound also, it's awesome. You will find everything in a proper way, and the connectivity, if you say, it's a multi-port supported one, so you can use either Bluetooth or you can use through your cable also. If your battery is down and you don't have a option to charge it, then you can use the cable. I connected this through my TV, and whenever I charge this full, and it's easily, it's for me around more than 2 to 3 days. It depends on my usage, but still it's 2 to 3 days it's lasting for me. And I connected with my TV. I will show you how I connected with the TV with the Bluetooth. I charged this full, and I use when I using the phone, I use with the cable, and when I connected to the TV, I connected through the Bluetooth, so I can save my battery. So I use cables on that, and I use for TV, I use for the Bluetooth one, the cable, and the use of the multi-cable, like multi-pin cable. How to use it, what is the usage of this, I can show you. 6.3 and 3.5 mm, how to use it. Okay, so I will turn it on first. So you can see here, I'm going to turn it on this. If you press for a while this, keep it for a few seconds, it will start glowing, and it says there is a sound comes, power on. I can show you again.
Power on.
Okay, when you turn it off, you can hear that as
Pairing. Power off.
see. So you can you have a voice assistance to understand that whether it is on or off, even the LED goes off or something in future. So and here you can see, here I'm going to connect with the cable now. Okay, I'll connect with the cable, and this cable, this pin 6.1, this pin, we're gonna connect it to this. Okay, and we can play it up this. See, so being connected, and the same cable we can turn back. See, the same cable, we just remove this and remove this, and we'll connect. See, you have two ports here, one is this and one is this. This is 6.3 and this is 3.5 mm. So this, when you use with the mobile, you can connect to the 6.3 over here, and you can use this for here, and you can connect with this. See, okay, now this one you can connect it to the any musical devices. For example, I will show you one of that. So here we connect the cable over here, okay, and this cable will connect it to a keyboard. Now I have taken, here you can see the phone, so it's a headphone jack port, so we connected that, and now this is connected with this, okay. So now the sound won't come out. If you see, the sound won't come out. You can see there is no sound coming out, and the sound is with this. I can keep it over here with this, okay. You can put it over here. See, it's coming from this. Alright guys, we're gonna connect to the TV through the Bluetooth. Now, before getting into that, I would like to mention that I had a lot of queries through the comments, so many doubts. So I would like to clear those doubts. Even though I commented back, I would like to clear those doubts. So most people have a comparison with other headphones. I could see in this headphone you have some unique features which I never seen in other. One is multi-port, you have dual port, one is 6.3 and one is 3.5. I don't see this in other. And all the audio quality, like mid, low and high, is arranged very well in this, so you don't feel more bass, you don't feel missing your vocals, and you don't feel more pressure in your ears. So if I say this is the best one compared to other in such way. Another, the comfort in your head, and it is not that loose to fall down. If you compare to Sony, there is a issue that this mid-range, or else it's this price range, you don't get that comfort. It's like always slippery headphones the Sony has. Another thing, yes, you can use without Bluetooth, you can use the cable, and you can use, if battery is not charged or you don't have an option to charge, you can use through the cable also. So these are the answers for the questions which I got, and I'm thankful that the people asked questions through the comment, and in future I expect the same. And thank you for all, and some recommendations for the review video. And I thought I will give the connectivity options also by visual. So hope this video will help, and you will like it. So let's connect to the TV now. See, I'm going to turn on the power now. Okay, it's already, I have shown in beginning of this video. Still, see, you can see the light is glowing, so that means the headphone is on right now. Okay, so I turn on the headphone now. That's the volume up, plus and minus here. Let's go to TV settings, then go to accessories. See, you can see the add accessories I gave, and we can see here a Boltt BH1400. I click on that. Now it's searching for the headphone. So once you paired it, it's automatically connect as soon as you turn on your headphone. So now it is connected. You can see that it's connected. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, please like and share. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.